They say all you gotta do is think about your past, think about your future, think about what you're doing now with concept and respect. Respect for yourself and knowledge. I don't think knowledge is relevant. Not for music. Music is my feelings, my soul, my life. There's no knowledge for that. I already know that. You know. Now listen clear. This is for you. Going through the people and going through the struggle, going through my past mother and through my past sister, going through everything that I wanna do and live. I wanna do and do it further, see, further share, see, going everything to a further level, going somewhere else when I don't know what's better. Don't know what's better because I'm not also this fight for the people on it now, for the people to survive. Everyone survives. Everyone is mine. It's got to make them money and still from your behind, still from your behind, still from your behind, still from mother or your father, then fuck your family. Go, everything is family, because everything is lately, everything has been so unsuccessful. Because everything is mine, has never been on mine, has never been on doing everything I want to climb. Everything is prime for your and everything is justice. Everything is prime for your minds and your mistress, your brothers, your mothers and your fathers. Everything that has to be from yourself and the concept for your build for yourself and your behind. For your other people that want to do and live, want to do and fuck them. They live them and they fuck them, live them and they fuck them back. For to make a decision, plus everything that has to come season. People